just through the one, so you angle. Hey, when you start going through it, pull the saw like that.
This way?
The other way.
This way?
Yeah, perfect. Otherwise you'll bang off that other one, see it?
Yeah.
You'll hit it with the end of the blade.
Jeez.
Okay.
The wire's holding it. Back up, Allie. Watch out, honey. Don't let the front one get you.
Wait, I want to get back up.
Hmm?
Ooh.
I want
Sorry.
to get back up there.
Alright.
Why?
Move the saw.
Just stand to the other side of it, honey.
Hang on, don't pull me up.
Sorry.
You're good.
You scrape your leg.
No, I'm fine.
Let's see. Let's see. You sure?
I'm fine.
Alright, you ready?